time. Do you remember us from the last video?
Yeah.
Well, today's episode is about dump trucks. Let's go slide them down the slide. The first one, very cool. And I like find this button here. This button, and you can like push it for it to dump. That sounds like I didn't like that. Well, let's slide it then. Lovely. Now we can have this mini dump truck. Nothing special. Just, yeah. It's good. Dump truck that you can take off. Very nice. This mini dump truck, just like the other dump trucks, also very nice. Oh, a spider. Dump truck. And last but not least, this truck. Yes. Well, let's ride on this dump truck then. Me, I'll be using my thing to slide down using the dump truck. Let's go. Now, let's put the rocks pebbles into here and we'll demonstrate how it jumps. Okay, this should be perfect. Press the button. Oh, maybe it's too heavy. Wait, this is how it jumps. Oh, also says really nice, isn't it? Today we're gonna build a car wash. Let's go build the car wash then. Okay, this is the layout of the car wash. Now we just have to fill this bucket with water. Let's fill it with water. It's perfect. Marcus, that's enough, thank you. I know, I'm coming. Marcus, get the cars.
The car wash?
Yes.
I only pick a car. Wait. I'm ready. Oh no.
No, Marcus, come back. There's enough. Let's go, stop. Use this to scatter the water around. Let's try it. Oh, it's so cool. Perfect, and off you go. Next, please. Next. Stop. Next, please. Hello, anybody?
Yes.
Okay. Next, please. Oh, you're the last person. Then we're closing down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That was clean.
Oh, yeah, okay, bye. Next morning. I guess we can start our day. Oh, a new customer already. Okay. Here's your wash. There you go. Next, please. Oh, your bucket's gonna be filled. Lovely. Well, I think you better dump the water out. Perfect. Next, please. Lovely. Okay, nice wash. Good. We have plenty of cars today. Okay, let's go.
All wet.
You're all wet? How come? Lovely, let's go. Lovely, let's go. Oh, you're barely even in the camera. Oh no, I think we're running out of water.
No.
Better fill it up later.
But oh, there's still more.
Here. We're running out of water.
I think we need more cars to move over here.
Oh, we ran out of water.
Let's go.
I need to go refill.
We need more cars here.
We just refill. Lovely. Okay, just go back.
Charlie, I think more cars here.
Got more water. Well, let the car wash begin again. Next, please. Oh, and the last customer is coming. Whoa! Overflow, overflow!
We need more cars here. We need
Oh no, I think I broke the car wash.
Oh no.
We need to call the dump trucks and construction sites to come. Yes, hello. Broken car wash? I'm coming right away. Oh, it's easily fixed. No problem. Just need to push this a bit. Boom! Perfect. Oh, just a bit wonky. Perfect.
Let's get all the cars to wash.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. Bye. But wait, make sure to check out our next episodes. It'll be really fun.